So coming from a family of doctors, आपको कब रियलाइज हुआ कि मेडिकल इज नॉट योर पाथ? हाउ डिड स्टडी अब्रॉड केम टू द पिक्चर?
Father told me to attend a summer program in Oxford University. उनके फ्रेंड ने सजेस्ट किया कि I should prepare for SAT and prepare with you. So I got acceptance from University of Warwick.
Coffee while starting your motivation reels. Dream startup or dream company? Hello everyone. Welcome to Topper's Diary. आज का एपिसोड काफ़ी स्पेशल होने वाला है बिकॉज वी हैव समवन whose journey is very different from the usual quota story. He scored an impressive 91% in his class 12th board exams and now he's heading to the UK for his higher studies. Welcome Atharv to the podcast.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Excited to be here.
Interesting बात ये है that he comes from a family of doctors. And his father is one of the well-known neurophysicians of Kota. Even his elder brother is also pursuing MBBS. So सभी लोगों ने सोचा होगा आपके आसपास कि आप भी मेडिकल ही परस्यू करोगे. So coming from a family of doctors, आपको कब रियलाइज हुआ कि मेडिकल इज नॉट योर पाथ?
So एक common misconception रहता ही है कि if I'm from a doctor family या medical family, I'll also pursue medical. But and एक्चुअली मेरे भी यही था दिमाग में कि आई विल बी परस्यूइंग मेडिकल फील्ड आगे जाके टिल 9th and 10th. बट माई फादर पुश्ड मी थोड़ा थोड़ा बचपन में भी कि यू शुड बिल्ड योर CV, यू शुड बिल्ड योर रेज्यूमे फ्रॉम द स्टार्टिंग. एंड इवेंचुअली जब मैं 9th-10th में आया एंड आई मेड सम एप्लीकेशंस एंड I was pitching them to some investor, and I realized that I am having more fun in this rather than studying biochemistry, physics as those subjects. So तब I made my mind कि हाँ I should go and pursue business, commerce and entrepreneurship as my career option.
That's really nice, honestly, because कभी-कभी बच्चे काफी टाइम लगाते हैं, they explore different options and then they decide what they want to pursue finally. So Atharv, how did study abroad came to the picture? मतलब आपको कब रियलाइज हुआ कि मुझे बाहर जाके, इंडिया के बाहर जाके अपनी एजुकेशन परस्यू करनी है?
So actually ऐसा था कि my father basically he told me to pursue global education as an option क्योंकि इंडिया में the universities for business and management are decent, but the global exposure which I'll get by studying abroad, तो that motivated कि हाँ फिर मेरे को 11th में आके लगने लगा कि I should pursue study abroad as a career option. So my father pushed me to build a portfolio and a CV कि आगे जाके it would help me in other ways as well. तो in 10th के end में my father told me to attend a summer program in Oxford University. And that really changed my perspective on studying abroad क्योंकि वहाँ का जो teaching था that was very different and attractive. So that's why I made up my mind to study abroad.
Okay, so your father motivated you. That's really great. Can you tell us more about your father?
So my father is a practicing neurophysician in Kota in Ethos Hospital. His name is Dr. Amit Dev, and he got to know about SAT and study abroad through a friend. उनके फ्रेंड ने सजेस्ट किया कि आई शुड प्रिपेयर फॉर SAT एंड प्रिपेयर विद यू. तो दैट्स व्हेन वी केम टू यू एंड वी प्लान कि हाँ आई शुड प्रिपेयर फॉर SAT.
Alright. So how was your experience preparing SAT?
So starting में I thought that it's very challenging, it would be tough, but मेरा एक माइंडसेट चेंज हो गया कि इंग्लिश को कैसे पढ़ना है, कैसे समझना है, वो पूरा चेंज हो गया when you taught me the tricks, you taught me the basic concepts जिनसे चालू करके I had to made my develop my concepts further. तो वहाँ पे I felt कि जो आपके ट्रिक्स थे, जो आपने जैसे गाइडेंस दिया regarding the test and जो उसके contents हैं, तो that really helped me and made my exam very easy and approachable.
So generally we all know that in commerce stream, मतलब जब आप 11th में commerce select करते हो, most of the students they plan to either pursue CA or they give CUET exam या फिर वो बहुत generally किसी भी basic या local college से BCom pursue करते हैं या BBA pursue करते हैं. So what made you to select ACT and give it?
So SAT is a universal exam. इसके through you can go and get into some global top universities like Harvard, Stanford, इनके जिनके business schools are regarded very prestigious. So that is why I appeared for SAT and I thought कि ये मेरा एक it would help me predict my college readiness कि मेरा mental aptitude कैसा है, my command on my verbal ability.
So can you tell me in what colleges you got acceptance?
So I got acceptance from University of Warwick, which I am headed to now. I also got accepted in King's College London, that is in UK. Then University of Edinburgh, University of Bath, and IE University Spain.
So you attended a summer program at Oxford University, a business summer program at Oxford University, right? Honestly, that is like a dream to many students. तो वहाँ पर जाने के बाद आपके कॉन्फिडेंस या पर्सपेक्टिव में क्या चेंजेस आए? वर यू नर्वस बिफोर गोइंग देयर और रियलिटी एक्सपेक्टेशन से कितनी डिफरेंट थी? आई वुड लाइक टू नो दैट.
स्टार्टिंग में आई वॉज वेरी एंग्शियस एंड नर्वस कि कैसे जाऊँगा, कैसे मैनेज होगा सब कुछ. बट द टीम एट द समर प्रोग्राम दे रियली हेल्प मी आउट. दे गाइडेड मी सारे स्टेप्स पे कि आपको एयरपोर्ट कैसे, जब आप रीच करोगे तो क्या करना है, एयरपोर्ट से कैंपस तक कैसे आना है, एंड दे गाइडेड मी थ्रू आउट द प्रोसेस. तो दे मेड इट वेरी कन्वीनियंट फॉर मी. उसके अलावा आई वॉज थिंकिंग कि मेरे दोस्त बनेंगे नहीं बनेंगे यहाँ पे. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ पीपल फ्रॉम डिफरेंट डिफरेंट कल्चर्स, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट कंट्रीज. तो मेरे को डाउट था कि वुड आई बी एबल टू ब्लेंड इन, मर्ज इन. बट मेरे को एक कॉन्फिडेंस आया व्हेन आई मेड फ्रेंड्स ग्लोबली, एंड मेरा एक पर्सपेक्टिव चेंज हो गया फॉर स्टडिंग अब्रॉड थ्रू दैट प्रोग्राम. सो इट रियली हेल्प मी आउट.
So now, Atharv, you have been to Oxford University. You have been through the whole process, university application process, and आपको काफ़ी सारे colleges acceptance भी आए. But meanwhile, I believe that you were preparing for your CBSE board exams as well, right? And आप साथ में SAT की भी preparation कर रहे थे. IELTS is very important, one of the important exams that you have to give. उसकी भी preparation आप कर रहे थे साथ में. Then university application process were there because you have to write SOPs and essays according to the colleges, right? तो ये सारी चीज़ें आपने कैसे मैनेज करी without burning out? Because ये काफ़ी difficult और काफ़ी hectic process है. So were you able to manage your studies all together with all this going on?
Yeah. So starting on, जब पता लगा था कि इतना सारा कुछ है, तो I was very doubtful कि ये सब हो पाएगा मैनेज, would I be able to cope up. But eventually starting early came in as an advantage to me. If I had not started early, ये सब बहुत एक messy and cluttered way में होता है. And I think जिन colleges में मेरा अभी acceptance हुआ है, they would have not accepted me because it would have reflected on my SOPs and my college application. But क्योंकि I was consistent with it, तो it made sense, and it was easy for me to complete my college application processes.
One thing I usually believe that students are much more than marks. So apart from academics, what are your hobbies and what else you like doing apart from studying?
Of course, because I'm the type of person who doesn't like to stay in the room for a whole day and just read. So sports was a very big component of my life. I used to play lawn tennis daily for 2 hours in the evening. That would really refresh me and prepare me for the next day. Apart from that, I also love cooking and baking.
Okay.
That was one of my interests that I had developed during COVID. So I had a lot of free time. I started cooking and experimenting in the kitchen. So eventually I fell in love with cooking, and I even ended up making a page of my own about the recipes I used to make, and I used to post them regularly on that page. So
That's really nice. Like you did coding also.
Yeah.
You then decided to pursue business. Okay. And then you told us about your sports, interest in sports.
Yes.
And cooking.
Cooking, yeah.
Fantastic. Okay, one last question I would want to ask is, अगर कोई क्लास 10th या 11th क्लास का बच्चा आपको देख रहा होगा एंड वो भी चाहता है कि उसे अपनी स्टडीज़ अब्रॉड से परस्यू करनी है, या बहुत कंफ्यूज्ड है, वो बहुत सारे कन्फ्यूजन्स होते हैं इंडियन पेरेंट्स को भी एंड स्टूडेंट्स को भी, सो आप उनको एक जेन्युइन क्या सजेस्ट करना चाहोगे?
So I would give only one advice कि you should start early, you should prep for it, you should acquire all the right informations of the universities, how to apply, what are the tests you have to sit for, and you should execute it in a sequential manner and plan it accordingly.
So basically you're saying that you should start early,
Yeah.
है ना? तो आपके पास काफ़ी समय होता है काफ़ी सारे options को explore करने
Of
का,
course.
and you can work on your profile also, है ना? And then there is special time to prepare for
Yeah.
exams, है ना?
You can
Entrance
look out
exams,
for
and then you have
scholarship.
to, yeah, exactly, for scholarships
Yeah.
only, and then you have to focus on your board exams as well because your
Yeah.
GPAs matters a lot.
Of course.
So we have one rapid fire round as well, Atharv.
Okay.
Biggest supporter in your journey,
I would say my mom and dad.
okay? One habit behind your 91%.
Consistency.
Consistency. Coffee while starting your motivation reels.
Coffee while studying. Easy.
So you don't scroll.
Not really, especially not motivation reels.
Okay. Dream startup or dream company?
Dream startup.
Dream startup. One myth about studying abroad that is completely false.
That it is very expensive. Not
So
really.
Atharv, honestly, it was such an inspiring conversation.
Yeah.
तुम्हारी जर्नी ही ये प्रूव करती है कि कभी कभी डिफरेंट पाथ ही हमें अपनी रियल आइडेंटिटी तक लेके जाता है.
Yeah.
So thank you for joining us in
Thank you
Topaz
so much,
Diary.
ma'am.
And to everyone watching, whether your dream is to study in India or abroad countries, the biggest thing to explore is opportunities fearlessly. Thank you for watching us, and we'll see you in the next episode.